Hi, this is John with MAcarbon, and today we're going to show you how to replace your old broken sun visor tabs with brand new MAcarbon units on your 1972 to 1985 R107 SL. The SLC and the 1986 and above SLs have a slightly different procedure. So let's get started. First thing, we've got our MAcarbon sun visor clip set. So we've got 2 tabs and 2 receptacles here. So first step on doing the install is taking off the hardtop. We do have to angle the visor in a certain way that requires taking the hardtop off. Also note, here we have our MAcarbon restored sun visors. So if your visors are not in top shape, it's a good time also to swap out to a new set of visors. So first thing we're going to do is we'll do the receptacle first, then we'll do the tab. So pull out your visor. You'll see here on the inside of the tab is a Phillips head screw. So go ahead and unscrew that. Remove the old one. And it's always a good idea when you're in doing something like that, go ahead and take that opportunity to clean around get that 50-year-old dust out of there. Get nice and clean. Okay. Now we have our brand new one. Now what often happens on these receptacles is over the years they split and crack. And then even if your tab is good, it won't work well because the receptacle won't hold it tight. All right, so we screw that in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And let's see, there we go. All right, that's in. Okay, now our next step will be to replace the tab. So when we do the tab, we're going to rotate this sun visor. So the first thing we do is we loosen the tension screw here. And what that does is allows us to rotate the visor 90 degrees. So we bring this up like this. And there's a little lock thing here, so you want to find when it releases. Okay, and see how the visor will slide out, and you'll take the tab off. Okay. Now, one thing you want to do is make sure that when you bring in the new tab, to match the angle, this angle here. So we got that. Okay, so and then also the tab does have a key, and you'll see that the post also is keyed. Okay, so bring that so we get that sliding through. See, it's in, and then you need make sure you go there. Get this the post into the receptacle there. Okay. And now here you've got your tab in place. We will retighten the tension screw. And you're all done. Now you can adjust that there to the right thing, and boom, all done. Thank you again for watching our R107 sun visor tab installation video. They're available in multiple colors to match your SL, and you can easily get them on our website, MAcarbon.com. Thank you again for watching, and enjoy driving your SL.